yo mida senior legal vacation ya dia awo ho piti sit a imperative fee English legal system no I wo say a judge for tena sem so di ekodu mpempen so bia ebribi wo pa take a break and Evanesana lawyer for so take the chance to go on vacation I say to kwan kohwe mobushia omo pese omo kwa ma no ne ko ahumudie mu nyina sabre no na omo ye sade no bibia for fitikeke and normally no select vacation e ba na wie ya sabre no new lawyers they are a friend call to the bar no normally first week in October the new lawyers no na fe new legal no if yes and only the over now the also paying no it happen normally during legal vacation no chief justice don't appoint some judges as vacation judges and when we say judges being na vacation there now so o cases bi beba e bia na emergency e bia na ye hia motion bi nya e bia akwaji obi nkwa ana nya order bi akwaye bibia na bibi kobone afi e kan chin 2 months no yen kombra no na bibi agensem a so ano anyi yi enu nti no chief justice the bibia no superior court no vacation ya or appointee judges bi kakre bi on safety as vacation judges judges no on time trial on tie motions ebia bibia ye agent o judge one ye we am here ebe kobo no ye see atwen ebe kobo no tane o ma no mo ye enti no because employee people no say who are there no cases no vacation plan in lo ho no who be a lawyer or the other side no or bet you say oh me too kwai me ni ho enti no me ma court. Typically, this will be beside adjournment in case it is the practice that judges a BBA, a year life threatening, and I say, judge no uncle emotion, and I have them chrono. A best say will be found with the BBA to Sabeba. Typically, no, ye a Juma during legal vacations. And to know, the other. Touch here any lawyer for me raise concern about and say in those criminal trials no yes say the chief justice no I'm on leave to set not just to do motions but to conduct trials. All right. And say for many a lawyer no a problematic sakra it's on say ebia motion and abisa it's okay. But conducting full trial. I stand to be corrected. I don't know, say, cases being in a trial trial, but meaning, say, you attack the outcome on the concern is that cases are trial, any case are trial are started, and Chief Justice has said, encore before vacation judge, no, never vacation judge, no, on continue with trial. And when they say, a trial, you can see a trial. I said, I lawyer for you now, the exhibit be answer into evidence, so objective. One, the right time I put my way who she and when I say, well, lawyer or court, none any that and so say, any she say, oh, number booking trip be an coming up a white vacation. And as you say, you know, we have a court, and yes, I know we need any idea. The usual practice is say vacation judge crown on conducted trial. And let's say practice meaning and I say lawyer for I work when you just to say on why a crowd of sobo bay. The lawyer for United to Mudia Bibian sequence or mobile and to me can say you attach your case. Nanka or no Mr. Tachia Attorney General. Only a crowd of say case to Sabrin one passing the animal. But once I obey any trouble, so obey conducted trial at that time. No, it is the practice. Judges and Tom Costa said, I'm conducted trial. You attach a lawyer for a car, a
I believe that Chief Justice is one of the greatest legal brains, and it's for that matter, Entina or occupy get that position. Doesn't he know
Okay, don't say it's always difficult to speak for because Chief Justice Major say Koba say on should be the same thing on one between Waba. You are not share you so should be say say Yankee and the same here or Yamsa and to know men per se about how you say you're criticizing or strong without not having heard his reasons. Simply, you know, one concerning fact also is say who conducted trial no and who proceeded to conduct trial in those cases now can me can say na you attach your really concern say acquire say there were criminal cases before the courts. Cases particular ones be before the execution judge appears say and so no cafe. There has been specific orders me said those cases should continue. But I have also heard said there's been clarification said Chief Justice fears no issue, you know. One more case but in the but it so happens say judge you know you say ultimate advocacy judge you know or no any na action you attach your and you know the concern would be and it's legitimate say I think or lawyer for the ultimate one vacation. Now, me says maybe I yes, say, young class of engineer. If you consider the fact that these cases, whether you like it or not, these cases are considered by the public to be political. Media, me in say political because whoever you are, no say, if there's a charge against you, say, why a bonnet or mine one? And from say, we are politician, and I say, we are. Ordinary team and as I said, court. But because these cases involve politically exposed persons, normally, there will be the perception say, "Hey, Bia, all am you being and man, akobana sa." It may just be a perception and any no way. Now, so I am not a better say. Yebema nipa SOMPA adako ayem clear no one could dream the beer and to sa Ediana and to sa Ediana share and anything oh in so vacation judge no on one or try case yeah involving politician he and to know or to but I call you obi adino kesni and to know ebaya not the man say off and then let the vacation pass and then they can resume trial just as is happening in any other case.
Now, I chairman want to miss lawyer I file for a bail application and that is going to be heard on the 19th of August 2026. It also falls within the same vacation period. Now, bisa say Argentina's case and also your criminal in nature. And the appeal for a bail condition bail application and it was yet now the other case which is criminal involving a Dubois and the state in India any crime say and no eba it beats my thinking. You being a lawyer, what's the principal distinction?
And she won't say this is like bail pending appeal. In the case of media, a bill pending appeal, a trial, and bail pending appeal is just a motion. If you cast a motion, that says some you just in a day. Nipa or apply for bail, for moving a motion. Now, all the supporting arguments. Now, Attorney General, representative, and so. It just happens in a day, and it can be taken as one of those motions that are typically heard during legal vacations. But in a case a trial, the do be the that came. I'm gonna take it Alpha Bible, Quran, and after us. Now what take it oath. Now after yes, what can done a witness statement. Now if you are we a full scale trial. Try any those ones in legal vacation. And so where you are coming from, say, and also that it is the kind of case that typically to me before a vacation judge because it's just a motion. And also the argument can be made, say, it involves the liberty of somebody. Nipa no da so o we fiase dada obi ti say chairman want to me we nya koda fiase nti no say ingina so ho a esa say court no consider so be man bail any appeal, and then the earlier it is heard the better. In the case of the trial, no mirror case made in India, in the case of Edubuahin's case, very good. In the case of Edubuahin's case, no, he's not yet been convicted. I think he had conducted trial. He did say trial not commence. Yes, the trial is ongoing in that case. And don't you know, different scenarios. In this Edubuahin, they are granting a bail. Court has granted him bail, and he's not in custody. But in the case of Wontumi, he's in custody, and apart from the fact that he's in prison custody, what he are going to do in court is just a motion, and it happens just in a day. The judge hears it and can give his ruling the same day, or he can adjourn to another day to give his ruling. Typically, those ones, during vacation.
Generally, Article 125(1) of our Constitution establishes some judicial independence. But generally, you're silent on vacation scheduling. Maybe what is the law backing the fact say during the vacation, vacation of a year for lawyers, any judges, the legal vacation, cases are what move here, any says our cases, every year trial, criminal trials, rather than a year minor cases and some applications. Is there any legal basis for that? Since we refer to Article 125(1) of the 19th Constitution, it just says it gives that kind of general liberty.
Sorry, we did now line article now refer to what is there. No, I just missed it.
Okay. Article 125(1) establishes clearly judicial independence, but it doesn't mention vacation scheduling. No.
Okay. And as a matter of fact, there is no law, whether in the Constitution or in an act of Parliament, as I said, there shall be legal vacation between this time and that time.
Okay.
There's no law there, but remember, the judicial system, and edged in law. And you may be why a friend of conventions. You may be why a friend of practices. Not just say, you said, I'm trying to baby say, as I see in the name of and it has become accepted practice by the judiciary, by the bar.
So it has become a convention.
Yes, a convention. However, but you will see legal recognition given it in various, especially procedural rules. What for a civil procedure? It has various. It's made a lot of pronouncements on what, for example, time does not run against you during vacation. Maybe you be several orator, so because someone will court, any of the superior courts now, abra your vacation now. Time does not run. Normally say several orator or 8 days as will enter appearance.
Sure.
Another 14 days as will file with defense. But say several during vacation now. What me at Nasia Kenya? I'm a legal vacation and they at time no and puntia. That new legal year no one best at kind time in it. And see, Oba said there are a lot of. This is just one instance. There are provisions in the CI 47. High Court Civil Procedure Rules now. It talks about vacation, which means it has gained legal recognition in our rules and our practice. But you will not see a rule like that. I say there shall be a vacation, there shall be this. But in any case, as we have heard say, the Supreme Court for a declaration say legal vacation is unconstitutional. It will be interesting to see how the Supreme Court will look at it. But the fact is that there's no provision in the Constitution expressly stating say as I say legal vacation and now and say but I don't say you're wrong and also say it's your Constitution because a practice. So you but the batch was a my came time say na bibia no who see akọ church him wo ba empire say rade omwa wo business no say ni no but that about abranche business no be ware a ye ntro bible mu say ware oba akọ na ware oba tuntum ana meboa sana etie over constitution na e be ma general framework and yet beyond the electoral constitution. A lot of the things it's left for acts of parliament to deal with this. And you know, because an act of parliament will not deal with it, but there will be practices and conventions taking care of those things now. It does not necessarily make it unconstitutional. But of course, you know the Supreme Court, I believe he's made reference to specific rules or specific provisions of the Constitution.
Sure.
A man say unconstitutional. I have not seen those provisions he's referred to, and it will be interesting, and we are all looking for it to see
what the Supreme Court will say.
And we will look at it with an open mind, obviously, to see how things will pan out.
Before I conclude with you on this subject, now Edubuahin has been given 7 days within which to produce his lawyer back in court. Then, sir, what will be happening in court? Would Edubuahin been doing his own cross-examinations?
Seriously, I will have a challenge if the judge, assuming, sir, in 7 days, where dates now, where Jenny case needs to know, assuming that the judge sits and on that day, Edubuahin lawyer no and my court I will be disappointed if the judge insists on going on, because when somebody's liberty is at stake, normally we afford the person all the opportunities and all the some kind of leverage opportunity defending and with the emergency, especially any substantive law, because whether or not a case should be conducted during vacation or during the legal term, it's not a matter of substantive law, a matter of procedure. Disadvantage accused person I think a baby a bit to me acquitted the family and a baby one year after the trial, it can easily be a ground of appeals. I mean,
appealing the decision of the court.
Any appeal, the major decision appeal, but a ground for an interlocutory application to a higher court, maybe the Supreme Court, for an interpretation there.
All right, but I know that the position that you hold, is of that same position of the Ghana Bar Association, because they've also said that by convention, vacation courts handle emergencies only, not substantive trial. Yeah, but that's in the way. So, wama hokwama, wedding, I'm sure why.
Okay.